guys. In this video we are going to look about the new features of the new second generation Apple AirPods. So, let's get into the video. First thing is, now AirPods support Hey Siri command. In the second generation you don't want to double tap on the AirPods to activate Siri. By just telling Hey Siri, you can activate the Siri. So it's more easier now. Second feature is, it has the power of 24-hour battery life. AirPods deliver an industry-leading 5 hours of listening time, and now up to 3 hours of talk time, all on one charge. And they're made to keep up with you, thanks to a charging case that holds multiple charges for more than 24 hours of listening time. Need a quick charge? Just put AirPods back in the case for 15 minutes to get up to 3 hours of listening time and 2 hours of talk time. To check the battery, hold the AirPods next to your iPhone or ask Siri, "How's the battery on my AirPods?" Then the third feature is, the increased performance. Powered by the all-new Apple H1 headphone chip, AirPods deliver a faster and more stable wireless connection to your devices, up to 2 times faster when switching between active devices, and a 1.5 times faster connection time for phone calls. The H1 chip also drives voice-enabled Siri access and delivers up to 30% lower gaming latency. So whether you're playing games, listening to music, or enjoying podcasts, you'll experience higher quality sound. These are the 3 main new features that I noticed in the second generation AirPods. If I missed anything, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more new videos based on technology. Peace.